I have already told you that Ahmed does not like to go outside. So such type of persons are called unfriendly, and you can use an idiom, a special word for them, that they are lawn fish, right? Okay, students, so these are the words. A dark horse is a person who never shows his abilities. So such type of person is called a dark horse. And a person who is very very clever, you can use the word simple clever. You can say that he or she is very clever. But except the clever, you can also say that he is a bright spark. And a person who always enjoys to go with friends, and who is always satisfied, and who is very excited and happy, you can use the word happy camper, that he is a very happy, he is a happy camper, right? So in this lesson, basically, you have learned that what are the adjectives, and especially personality adjectives. Adjective is actually uh, are both the good and bad qualities of a noun, and you are very much familiar with the word noun. Noun is the name of a person, place, or thing. So and when we only talk about the good and bad qualities of a person, we say that these are the personality adjectives, right? So in this case, in this lecture, you have learned a lot of personality adjectives. I have given you a picture that is of different characters. There are different characters, and they are behaving differently. Their actions are different, their behaviors are different, their facial expressions are different, their dressing is different, right? So through their actions, through their facial expressions, through their height, through their like dressing, you can tell that what type of person, what type of people they are. So the words that you would use in order to describe these people, by judging them from their actions and from their behavior, you would those words would be called personality adjectives, right? So basically, you have learned a lot of personality adjectives. Like the word is a person who is very much nervous and who is very much tensed is called an anxious person, right? So he is very anxious, naughty, stubborn, impatient, sensitive, intelligent, nice, nervous, emotional, bad tempered, mean, distracted, dishonest, rude, discreet, crazy, untidy, cheeky, cheerful, energetic, optimistic, pessimistic, pessimistic, sorry, unpleasant, talkative, calm, passionate, and proud, right? Through their actions and through their behavior, you can say that these are the people having different personality. And for different personalities, you have different words to describe those people's personalities, right? Okay, lastly, in conclusion, you have your homework. You need to write eight good and eight bad qualities or adjectives of your best friend, right? And you need to just take up notebook or register, right? And at one page, you need to write eight good and eight bad qualities or adjectives of your best friend. After writing these qualities, you need to mention the date of today as well, that on which date you write and you completed that work, right? After that, also read out the page number 6 and 7 of your book and complete activity 4 and 5. I have given you, this is the page of your book that you need to complete, right? As I have already briefed you in my lecture, and I have shown you the pictures of different characters like this, right? So through their actions, through their behavior, you can describe their personality. Same is here in your book, that is on page number 5 or 6 most probably, right? You have a lot of people in the park, and their actions and their behaviors are different, and this is the word bank. Through their behavior and through their actions, you need to tell that who is confident, who is tidy, who is generous, who is shy, bad tempered, and hardworking, right? Generous is the person who always helps others, right? And tidy are those people who loves cleanliness, right? I can tell you that this person, let me tell you one that is tidy. He loves cleanliness because he is throwing the garbage into the dustbin. So this type of person who loves cleanliness, this type of people is called tidy, right? So in this page number most probably 6, well, sorry, 7, I guess, you have different words, right? So these are the columns. You need to mention, you need to match a word with its opposite. Let me tell you one, right? So first word is confident. Confident is the person who is never confused, who is sociable, and who is friendly, right? So the opposite of confident is nervous, right? So this is the one that I told you. The rest of the columns you need to match on your own, right? And this is the paragraph. Here there is a character of a mother. So through by writing these lines, you need to tell that what type of person the mother is. Same as I told you in the case of Ali, Ahmed, and Saira. That through their actions, through their behaviors, you can tell that what type of people they are. So same is the case with this passage that is on your book. So you need to read both of these pages and complete them, right? All right, and this was the lecture. Hopefully you have enjoyed it, and you have understood it. So please complete it, and after completing it, take a picture of your work and send me via WhatsApp in the group, right? Thank you very much. Have a good day.